AVX 9286-300 series connectors are poke-home wire-to-wire connectors for heavier industrial wires and feature a smaller package than alternative solutions. The series includes connectors for 12 to 18 AWG solid or stranded wires, with ratings up to 15 amps and 600 volts. The connectors are easy to use, requiring a simple strip and poke-home insertion. The 9286-300 series uses a single-piece phosphor-bronze contact with high-force contact beams that provide a stable connection, while a center wire stop prevents over-insertion. AVX 9286-300 series connectors feature a glass-filled thermoplastic housing that is UL94V0 rated and measures as small as 17.5 mm long by 6 mm square, and it's available in multiple colors to match wiring installation colors for fast and easy assembly.